Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their TellerScan Digital Check TS240 scanner, the SKK Source AC Adapter Power Cord. This isn't just any replacement. It's designed to bring reliable and safe power to your critical scanning operations. One of the first things that stands out about this adapter is its commitment to safety. The manufacturers have clearly prioritized user and device protection, crafting this product with the highest quality materials. It incorporates multiple smart features that act as guardians for your scanner. We're talking about safeguarding against incorrect voltage, which is crucial for sensitive electronics, as well as robust short-circuit protection. Furthermore, it includes internal overheating protection, ensuring that the adapter itself operates within safe temperature limits. For added peace of mind, these chargers are certificated with industry standards like CE and FCC, which speaks volumes about their adherence to strict quality and safety protocols. Moving on to its power capabilities, this adapter boasts a versatile input volt range of 100 to 240 volts. This wide range means it's incredibly adaptable, whether you're using it in different regions or simply need a power supply that can handle varying electrical inputs without a hitch. It's a truly universal solution for your scanner's power needs. Now, it's important to note that this is a brand new replacement adapter, not an OEM part, but its quality is undeniably high. It arrives in pristine, never-used condition, ready to perform right out of the box. The power supply itself is engineered to deliver sufficient power, ensuring your TellerScan TS240 operates optimally without any power-related hiccups. To guarantee this reliability, it has undergone rigorous aging tests, a process that simulates extended use to confirm its durability and consistent performance over time. The physical construction also deserves a mention. It utilizes a high-quality copper core wire, which is a significant detail. This isn't just about conducting electricity, it's about durability. Copper core wires are known for being less prone to breaking or fraying, effectively extending the overall life of the power supply. This means fewer worries about needing another replacement down the line. The adapter comes in a sleek black color and features a convenient wall mount design, keeping your workspace tidy. Before making a purchase, the reviewer always advises double-checking the model of your device to ensure perfect compatibility. And should any questions or concerns arise, the company encourages customers to reach out, which is always a good sign of dedicated support. This SKK Source AC adapter truly appears to be a thoughtful and reliable power solution for the TellerScan Digital Check TS240 scanner, offering both performance and peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.